So now, according to the woman who na SERAPHIC hospital, remember that when I made the video in the morning, I made it open to all the people on a medical field or medical line, that they should look at what that woman has said and educate us more. Woman or through negligence from the doctors or hospital or nurses side, or that in Ifemelu what is bound to happen. Remember, she said that SERAPHIC hospitals who qualified nurses and the doctors. Now I told you, they have made things in such a way that everybody want to pick up fight with every single thing that surrounds Evangelist Ebukobi. Now it is not going to work. Somebody came through, and this is somebody who is practicing in the health sector in the United States of America. Ndị na-alụ ọrụ ebe nwere equipment, ndị na-alụ ọrụ ebe nwere the most qualified, ndị na-alụ ọrụ ebe nwere sophisticated medical equipment. Now, this is what she said. I actually spoke with her, but I told her, no, I think let us drop this thing so that people can help us to go through. Now, what she said, I will read according to Ifokulu. Also, Madam, accept my condolences. It's not easy to lose a child, and it is very devastating. May the Lord console you and your family. Amen. From an experienced healthcare provider, after listening to what you narrated, it seemed you did not bring your child early to the hospital for evaluation and treatment. Probably treating her with fever reducer at home, because according to what you said, you stated she was diagnosed of sepsis. She could have also died at home due to the late intervention. Septic shock is a life-threatening condition that happens when infection has spread massively in the body. When this condition occurs, the body immune system overreacts to the infection, and this can lead to organ inflammation and damage. In this case, the lungs were attacked, and and that's why she had difficulty breathing. I actually commend the medical team for doing the right thing first, giving the patient IV bolus fluid drip. Bolus fluid is a large dose of fluid given at a faster rate to help rehydrate her body. For nyam we put na a drip wa na abosi so in agent to help rehydrate her body, dilute and wash out the organism causing the problem while waiting for the obala drawn to return from lab. I believe the drip has some electrolytes and minerals for nutrients and energy. That's why they have light yellow color. And according to the mother, as soon as the lab result was out, they quickly started the right antibiotics, which she got from the pharmacy. That was a good move. The patient was given oxygen regardless of the size of the transporting tube. She was oxygenated, and that's what matters. This is what a standard hospital will do. SERAPHIC hospital is on the right track. I feel for the parents, but I don't think the hospital did wrong. If they sue the hospital, they will lose big time. I know they are hot, but if they had sought for treatment on time, the infection might have been managed. This is based on the narration of the mother of the deceased. Take heart. So, for the name any slightest thing, on a choke on Maputa, Mama Kuruna Mugelum to nife that woman who could not nife no cruise over. From anywhere where he came fault, SERAPHIC hospital, rather, from a mother do so emotional, do so heartbroken for losing a daughter. And maybe because no Jena SERAPHIC hospital, or feel that but I told you that na my boss, Ogamo, one way to Zambia, Molona St. Nicholas Hospital in the island. J. Brown saw about St. Nicholas. Mazi, who know one of St. Nicholas Hospital. About Ogano when last month. As a last month, this month, about 2 weeks ago, or 1 week plus ago. About Ogano when. So it doesn't matter. Geruno, the voice of wisdom. This is a healthcare provider all the way from United States of America, not Nigeria here. You want to go? So that drip etilie come and cover. No musha drip wa on no man not supposed to musha say drip wa ojenyoma, and that is why ojuwe or DHwe or mother na village. Onya we nyaje eme nwa ahụ ka onyoma amere, but ye dey force nwata nyoma amere ebe ma amere ya da pe. Moreover, look at the condition of the child in a make oje nyoma amere. The child not in an unconscious state. You want to go? So that is why the doctor, resident doctor there will say that this is his or her job. Hapu kenen evangelist ebuko biaka ni ife niile papara mo clues ebuke ndo shonga no ke ebuke. Happen evangelist Ebukobi. Zion. We are there right away to confront your lies. I sympathize with this woman, but my dear, go and bury one. God, that one will give you people another one. You want to go? But don't use because of emotion, play into the hand of the distractors and the enemies of Zion. You want to go? Don't do that. Because when you down, you may begin to regret. SERAPHIC Hospital did what a professional hospital could have done. There was no negligence after all. All name will any negligence. It is from the mother and the father. It is from the parents of the child. Share this video. Share this video. We are here to help you. We are here to help you. Because he will fake information now. Or he get important, he may swim in ignorance. But we are here to take you one step at a time. Leave SERAPHIC Hospital alone. You people are moving around, you're trying to go after everything that has the signature of Evangelist Ebukobi there. It will not happen, and you people can never succeed. Kampulo be what actually the innocent. Yeah? Kampulo be the one. Mampulo bi ezigbo mamam ego ọma nwaanyị ọma zuru ike na ndụ gwa. Amen.